Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will continue teaching chapter 5 more on MSW logo. Start from page 52. Before I start explaining, I would like you all to open page 52 of your book, relate it with my explanation, follow the explanation and please mark the lines that are bracketed and underlined in my book, which you can see. Pause my video and mark in your own book with a pencil. These things you have to prepare for your short question answer type things from inside the chapter. Now, calculations in MSW logo. This is the topic which I will teach you today. Logo can be used as a simple calculator. Earlier also you all have learned that logo is a very interesting programming language, and this has been designed for the children to perform some simple arithmetic calculation and do some interesting drawings. So, for simple calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, we can use logo. Therefore, logo can be used as a simple calculator. Now, what are the various commands that we can use? See, print and label commands we can see for displaying the output. Output means the results. These statements are used to show the output for the four basic means fundamental, basic arithmetic or mathematical operations. See the table which is given on page 52. Operation and symbol, that is addition. For adding two numbers or three or four or more numbers, we can use this. What is the symbol? The plus sign which is placed inside the bracket or parenthesis. Parenthesis is the bracket inside which the symbol plus, minus, then a star mark, asterisk mark and a slash for division. These things are placed inside the bracket. As you can see in the chart, these are the symbols for the various operations. Operations means various arithmetic operations or calculations that we can do in logo, MSW logo. And see the examples, how the values are written by using print command, print space, then the values 20 plus 30. And then when you type these things in MSW logo commander input box, these things will be shown, displayed, and the result of the calculations will also be displayed in the commander window. On page 53 of your book, you can see the figure 5.10. See, print 20 plus 30, and then when the user click on the enter button or the execute button, they can see the result output, that is print 20 plus 30, then the result is 50, which is also printed here in the commander window. Why commander window? Because print command has been used to get the desired output, get the result. So print command always shows anything printed on the commander window. Okay, now for subtraction you can write like this, print 205 minus 30. You can place any digit of your choice and then get the result. Then for multiplication, you see it is written print 20, then that star mark, that is the asterisk mark which is used for multiplication in MSW logo, and then another digit. You can place any digit and find out the result. Division, for division slash is used, and this is how the command is typed in the input box of the commander window to get the result. Now let us shift to page 53. See, from here, this statement can also be used to calculate the steps the turtle has to move. So if you want to move the turtle to some distance, then you can also use and write this statement using forward and backward commands or primitives. Like the one which you can see in figure 5.11, you see it is written forward 20 plus 30. So if you give such commands and then click the enter key or the execute button, then the turtle will also move forward and backward according to the instructions provided in the commander window. You will be able to see the turtle moving in the main screen. Then math with MSW logo commands. These are the 4 logo commands that help in simple calculations. What are these commands? You again see the table that is given on page 53. Command is sum, and what is the purpose? That means use of this sum command. It helps in adding 2 numbers, and how you have to write? Sum 10 then space then 50. Sum space 10 space 5 or 50 or 500, whatever you like, you can type anything. This is just an example which is written, which is shown in the example column. You can write anything and then press enter key or execute button and then get to see the desired result or output of the simple calculations. Then comes the command difference. What is the purpose and use? It helps in subtracting the 2 numbers. And you see in the example column, this is how you have to give the command in the input box of the commander window. Then the quotient. Quotient helps in dividing the value by the second value. So see, it is written quotient 10, quotient space 10 space 5. So 10 will be divided by the second value, that is 5 in this example. You can type any digits of your choice, but remember the first digit will be divided by the second digit. Okay, next, remainder. This function divides the first number by the second and displays only the remainder. That means in this case there is no remainder, so nothing will be shown. Remainder space 10 space 5, it is absolutely divisible, so no remainder. To show the output, these commands must be used with logo primitives like print, level, forward, backward, etc. These are the commands that you can use for getting the desired result by using this logo in calculations. There is a quick fact which you can read of your own. Different mathematical functions like square, square root, trigonometry, factorial numbers, these things can also be done using this software MSW logo. But these things are absolutely new terms of mathematics for you people. So no need of learning this quick fact. Now let us turn to page 54 of your book. Then there is a quick recap on page 54. So many things are marked, bracketed and underlined. Please pause the video and mark these things which you have to read. These points have already been explained earlier when I explained you everything from the chapter. Mark it, pause my video, mark these things with a pencil in your book for short question answer type practice. And in my next class, I will be sending you exercise question answers through attachment. Children, please read the chapters thoroughly. Follow my explanation, relate it with the pages of your book. I repeat these things again and read the pages thoroughly. Try to understand well. I hope this will help you to understand the chapter well. Thank you for watching.